Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Salut means hi. Salut, lovely to see you. Bienvenue, welcome to French with Mr. Innes. It is jour number... Can you run on the spot and count very quickly with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18! Très bien! Today we are going to be learning all about the days of the week. We are going to do 4 days of the week, Monday through Thursday, and then tomorrow we will learn Friday through Sunday. Please stay tuned right to the end of this video where there will be a blooper reel. And if you enjoy the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. But let's kick off with our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day is the French word for today. Écoutez. Aujourd'hui. 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 Répétez. Aujourd'hui. 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 And so, aujourd'hui, we're going to learn about the days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And so, without further ado, it is time for our Ooh la la vocab. Ooh la la vocab numéro 1 aujourd'hui is Monday. And here's a picture of what normally happens on a Monday. It is the return to school. Écoutez 6 fois. Listen 6 times. Lundi. 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 Répétez. Lundi. 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 The next day of the week is Tuesday, and we've got a picture of lots of pancakes. What do pancakes have to do with Tuesday? It's because of Pancake Tuesday. So let's think about Tuesday in French. Écoutez 6 fois. Mardi. 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 Répétez. Mardi. 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 It is time for my shot of raw organic apple vinegar. Oh. Ooh la la vocab numéro 3 is Wednesday. The most famous Wednesday in the year is normally Ash Wednesday, when people get a shape of the cross on their forehead with ashes. Now, Wednesday in French is, écoutez, mercredi. 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 Répétez. Mercredi. 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 Now you might think that mardi and mercredi sound a little bit similar. I'd like you to répéter. Mardi. Mardi. Mercredi. Mercredi. So you have mardi, mercredi. Très bien. And last but not least, we have Thursday. Oh, look at this storm. Do you know that Thursday is named after Thor, god of thunder? Écoutez. Jeudi. 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 Répétez. Jeudi. 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 My flowers are really starting to die. Oh, look at that. Oh. And now it's time for which one's missing? So have a look at the pictures on the screen. I'm going to help you with the first 3 rounds. We have lundi, mardi, mercredi and jeudi. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said mardi. Next one. We have mardi, jeudi, mercredi and lundi. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said lundi. Next one. We have mercredi, lundi, mardi and jeudi. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said jeudi. Next one. And I'm not helping you. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said mercredi. Next one. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said lundi. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo et fantastique if you said jeudi. Yeah, lovely to hear from you, Nicola. Yeah, no, send my regards to Boris as well. And Donald too. And now it's time for our sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. So I want you to think back to our phrase of the day, which was aujourd'hui, which means today. And we're going to pretend that it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday. And then I'd like you to try and say today is Monday or today is Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday. I'll ask you quel est le jour aujourd'hui? And you have to go aujourd'hui c'est lundi or mardi, mercredi or jeudi. Let's go. If it's Wednesday, quel est le jour aujourd'hui? And you would say, aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi. Très bien. If it's Thursday today, quel est le jour aujourd'hui? Très bien. If you said, aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi. If it's Monday, quel est le jour aujourd'hui? Très bien if you said aujourd'hui c'est lundi. And last but not least, if it's Tuesday, quel est le jour aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui c'est mardi. Très bien. And now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. For our fun French fact of the day today, we've been looking at lundi, mardi, mercredi and jeudi. Well, did you know that in French, those days of the week are named after different things that you see in the sky? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. So lundi comes from the French word lune, which means moon. Moon, lune, lundi. Tuesday comes from Mars. You have Mars and mardi. Wednesday comes from Mercury or mercure. Mercure, mercredi. Mercure, mercredi. Jeudi comes from Jupiter. Jupiter, jeudi. Jupiter, jeudi. And tomorrow's fun French fact of the day will all be about Friday through Sunday. And now it's time for our song of the day. Today's song of the day is from the Naughties, and it's a bit of a funky, groovy song. It is called Double Jeu, and it's by Christophe Willem. You can find it in the YouTube description below. And that's everything for today, jour number 18. Très bien. It's been lovely having you here. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. Otherwise, stay tuned for the blooper reel. I'll see you again tomorrow. So, à bientôt and au revoir. New setup, camera inside a ring light, new little microphone on the tripod. Hey, let's get going with the show. If I can remember what we're doing. Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everybody. Hi. Oh yeah. Salut. Hi. Aye, aye, aye. Hi. Really nice to see you. Aye, aye. Oh no, I'm balding. The hair's just fallen out. Sensational sentences. Sensational sentences. Didn't quite have the dramatic effect I was hoping for. Now you might remember that our... Oh no, that's okay. Nothing could keep us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. Ooh la la va. Oh yay. Greatest show. Please give this video a